Hey everybody, Sky here again, and this D2L Basics course is going to cover how to change course images in your D2L courses. So this here is going to be your course image banner that displays whenever anybody opens up your course. So to change the image on there is a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is go to these three dots on the side and just click Change Image. That's going to bring you here to the course image library. Now the library is a great tool. It's got a lot of good stock images that work for a variety of different classes. Here you can see we've got some kind of nature scenes, looks nice, and same thing as you go farther down. Here in the search bar though, you can type in any keyword and you're going to get whatever it has for those things. So maybe it's a nursing class. If you just want to type in nursing, you can see a lot of different kind of good images come up that would be a good display for an online nursing course. Or maybe maybe we've got a dance class, and there you can see a lot of good images of people dancing and stretching, it looks like. And so I'm just going to change mine. I'm just going to type in German flag, and I click Use this image, and it's going to then change my course image banner to that image. Now, if you maybe have a specific one that you have on your computer or something like that that you want to use for your course, you can do that too. You're just going to go to Change Image again. Instead of this, you're actually going to go over to Upload, and you're going to click on that. And so you have a few different options here. The one we're going to use is My Computer, and that's your standard uploads an image for a file from your computer. I would recommend that. It's going to be the simplest by far. You have course offering files, which is basically any kind of files you've uploaded into the course, and then you have the My Locker and Group Locker options. Like I said, we're not really going to go into those. However, the way those work, in short, is the locker is like anything you've uploaded into D2L. So if you have images that you've used, for different courses, you could upload this into your locker, and then you could upload them from here. The group locker is the same concept. It's just one that has a bunch of different people in there as well. Again, I would strongly recommend just using My Computer, and that's what we're going to use right now. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take me to this screen where if you want to drag and drop the file from a folder that's already open, you can do that. I just prefer to click Upload, which takes me then to my Pictures folder, and we're going to go ahead and select this one here, King Under the Mountain, and click on that, and click Open, and then we're just going to click Add. And as you can see, it is now uploading and has changed my image from my course to the King Under the Mountain image. Now, if you have a specific image, or rather a specific part of that image you want displayed, there's a few things you got to keep in mind. First of all, D2L recommends that images that you upload the dimensions are no more than 2400 by 960 pixels because they won't come up correctly, and they also recommend that there's no text on them. It's not that the text messes it up or anything. The main problem with it is because of the way D2L crops images, the text might not display. As you can see here, this is not the entire picture. There's a big mountain back here, and you can see the rest of the helmet in the normal image. But D2L will crop your image, and you can't control how it crops it. So if you have, like I said, if you have a specific part of an image you want displayed, you might have to get creative with how you crop it in like Microsoft Paint or another program before you upload it into D2L. So the next thing we're going to look at is how to remove the banner entirely. Well, actually, real quick, if you want to change the text on the banner, you can do that. If you just click on Customize Banner Text, and we can change it from Sky's Awesome Sandbox to maybe just Sky's Just Okay Sandbox. And as you can see now, it's not awesome anymore. It's just okay. So if you want to remove the banner entirely, though, again, same three little dots right there, and you just click on Remove this banner, and then it's gone. If you did that by accident, or you decide real quick you don't want to remove it, you can always just click Undo, and it comes right back. Now, if you remove it, let's say we remove it at some point, and we're like, I don't want it anymore, but later in the course, maybe later in the development of your course, you're like, actually, I do want that back. There's a way that you can add it back as well. All you're going to need to do is go up to Edit Course, and you're going to click on Course Offering Information, and then here you can see that the image is still uploaded, we just have chosen not to display it. And so if your image is never is not right here, like say if I click X and this is gone, right? You can always just browse and you can find it the same way that we found it in the first place. So pretend that that image wasn't there, we add it again, and we upload it, and there it is. But it's not displaying because this little box is not checked. So if you want that homepage banner to display again, if you decide later you do want it back up on your homepage, all you have to do is click display the image in a banner on the course homepage and click save. And then when we go to the course home, we can see that King Under the Mountain is back where it's supposed to go. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you here is if you maybe don't want the image banner, but you do want the text. There's a way that you can have just the text up there as well. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is remove this banner so that it's not there anymore. Okay? And then you're going to go down here to the bottom, to these three dots, and you're going to click on Manage Home Pages. When you click on that, you'll come to this screen where you need to change your active home page. Right now it's set to default. What you'll need to change it to is Content Only Course Homepage. Once you click that and then you click Apply, and then you'll see that it's set as active homepage. When you go home, you'll see that it's just changed to the name of the course, which is Sky Sandbox. So if you just want the course name displayed but you don't want the image in the background and all of that, then you can always just change this. And then of course to change it back, all you have to do is go back into your edit course offering information like we did before, and then you just click display the image in a banner and click save. And then when you go back to your course home, you're going to see that our banner image is back there. And just another quick note on that, if you do enable the content only homepage without the banner, it's going to display the name of the course. It's not going to be a text that you can edit like I can on the banner here. So again, it's kind of your own preference on what you want. And if you have any questions on any of this, you can always shoot us an email here at CETL at onlinehelp@okcu.edu, or you can always email me, Sky, sltoland, @okcu.edu. Thanks, guys.